How you doing? My name is Dwayne Powell, and I'm actually coming to you live from my home office in New York City. And I'm actually excited to be doing this video for you today, okay? Now, chances are you're watching this video is because you just want to know more about Clickbank. Now, you're either a person interested in selling products on Clickbank, or you may be somebody who's already in Clickbank, but you want to be a super affiliate, right? You want to get big checks, you want to make a lot of money, you just want to start getting results as a super affiliate. Now, the fact of the matter is this, guys, Clickbank, let me just tell you a little bit about Clickbank, okay? Clickbank is an affiliate site where they have many products in different niches that you can actually sell and make a lot of money, right? And that's the beautiful thing about Clickbank, right? A lot of people don't have a product, they don't have a service, and you're looking for something that you can make money off of. Clickbank is like that vault of places where you can go find something that pays you well, gives you good commissions, and that's very marketable, and you go out there and make money. Now, listen to the key word that I said is marketable. Okay? Now here's the fact of the matter, is that most people who become affiliates don't make a lot of money or even make a little money at all. Okay? A lot of people is running around like a chicken with their head cut off. There's even people who's on Clickbank as an affiliate and they're trying to bug family and friends, pass out flyers, talk to deadbeat leads and all these different type of things, and they're not making no affiliate income, right? They're not making the money that they want to make inside their business. And that's what I want to help you do inside this video. See, I used to do things and not understand the concept of marketing, right? Where I was doing things and talking to leads, buying these type of leads that didn't work for my affiliate program and all this type of stuff. And the fact of the matter is I never made any significant money with it, okay? It wasn't until I learned the concept of marketing and these type of skill sets right here, right? When we talk about really learning how to leverage the power of the internet, where you can be a super affiliate and sell whatever Clickbank items that you want to your targeted people. Okay, understanding really how to create targeted, highly traffic, right, and creating leads, right, highly targeted leads, and building a list with those leads, guys, where you're able to really leverage and monetize your list. And we always say the money's in the list. Okay, when you're able to apply those type of marketing concepts, what's going to happen is you're going to start to convert more sales. You're going to actually start to make a lot more money. I'm actually dropping this, but you're actually going to be able to succeed faster and become a super affiliate. Okay, that's the goal, right? You in Clickbank looking for something to promote, but how do you promote it? How do you succeed? Okay, so I want you to get your hands on the same information that's literally transformed my business and allow me to be a super affiliate in many programs that I have promoted simply because I understand the power of marketing. Okay, so how do you get your hands on this information? Listen, I want to help you break free. If you want to be a super affiliate, I can help you do that. If you want to just make a lot more money in anything or find a prospective business that you can really get some results and utilize proven strategies, I want to help you do it. I want to help you reach your goals, your dreams, create more freedom in your life. How do you get your hands on this information? Again, this is what you have to do. Simply click the link under this video right now, and I'm going to share with you the strategies, the proven blueprint that you can utilize to explore Clickbank, or this information is universal. You can use it for anything you ever do. Okay? So again, click the link right now, or if I even have a website on this video, type the website in your browser now. And I look forward to playing a small role in your future success of you becoming a super affiliate and really start to break free and get the results on Clickbank or any other thing that you decide you really want to do. Okay? My name is Dwayne Powell. Click the link right now, and I'll be talking to you in a couple of seconds. Take care.